Welcome to Keyboard Zoo 2. We are going to practice uppercase and lowercase letters, typing words, and making short sentences using the period key and spacebar. Let's go! This is an uppercase or capital letter A, and this is a lowercase letter A. Let's practice typing lowercase letters. A, 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 A. Super! All right, let's practice typing uppercase letters. To make an uppercase letter, you must hold down the Shift key while pressing the letter key. Type the letters you see. A, 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 A. There are two Shift keys, one on the left and one on the right. Press one of the Shift keys. Awesome! Press the Shift key on the right. Nice job! Press the Shift key on the left. Super! Let's practice a few more uppercase letters. T, 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 T. Nice job! L, 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 L. Nice job! D, 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 D. Awesome! Let's mix it up and practice uppercase and lowercase letters. Watch out! Q, X, X, J, J, M, M, U, U. Super! O, O, B, B, N, N, Y, Y, V, V. Awesome! R, R, S, S, C, C, W, W, F, F. Super! Now let's practice typing some words. O, R, A, N, G, E, orange. Nice job! Y, O, Y, O. Yo-yo. Super! H, O, U, S, E, house. Awesome! Ready to type a sentence? We need two new keys, the period and spacebar. The spacebar is usually the longest key on the keyboard. Can you find it? Press it. Spacebar! Let's find the period. It looks like a dot and is under the letter L key. Find it and press it. Period. Nice job. Type the periods. Period. Period. Super. Type some spaces. Spacebar. Nice job. You are ready for sentences. Type the sentences you see. Remember to use uppercase and lowercase letters, the spacebar and period keys. I like the Red Sox. I. Spacebar. L-I-K-E. Spacebar. T-E. R-E-D. Spacebar. S-O-X. Period. Awesome. I saw the Star Wars movie. I. Spacebar. S-A-W. Spacebar. T-E. Spacebar. S-T-A-R. Spacebar. W-A-R-S. Spacebar. M-O-V-I-E. Period. Pizza is yummy. P-I-Z-Z-A. Spacebar. S-Y-U-M-Y. Period. Nice job. Woohoo! You did it! You completed Keyboard Zoo 2. Now, try one of our typing games.